Hey everyone! Uh, in this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to fix Gumroad PayPal connection problems in 2026. Yeah, if your PayPal isn't connecting, keeps failing, or you can't receive payments, don't worry. This guide will help you fix it step by step because, honestly, payment connection issues can stop your earnings completely. So first, double-check your PayPal account details. Uh, Make sure you're using the correct email linked to your PayPal account, and that the account is fully verified because unverified accounts often cause connection failures. Next, reconnect PayPal properly. Yeah, go to your Gumroad settings, remove the existing PayPal connection, and reconnect it again by logging in through the official PayPal authorization page, which usually refreshes the connection. After that, check your PayPal account status. Ensure there are no limitations, restrictions, or pending verifications because these can block payments or prevent successful linking with Gumroad. Also, verify your country and currency settings. Yeah, sometimes mismatched regions or unsupported currencies can cause connection issues, so make sure your Gumroad and PayPal settings align properly. And yeah, clear your browser cache or try another browser. So login or connection errors can be caused by browser conflicts, and switching to Chrome or Edge often fixes the issue instantly. Finally, contact Gumroad or PayPal support if the problem continues. Most of the time, following these steps resolves PayPal connection issues and ensures you can receive payments smoothly without interruptions. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.